Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because just if it's not forward from Kingmixup, it's not credible. I'm not telling you no lie, my people. Things is not sweet right now. It's kind of bitter because RT boss, lawyers fired back at Dancehall Queen Spice. You see, man, I say, shut down our whole program, you feel me, exposing her lies and even brought up her son in the mix. Yeah. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. So let's get into this. So first and foremost, RT Boss lawyer is letting Spice know why exactly they are suing her because she seems to not know what she said. So homeboy lawyer said, the thing with the little pitney, the big man with the scandal bag and all of them things there at the bottom. And the pedo allegations, and Spice said she wasn't properly served, so the court, process officer hired a private company called Gotcha. Because Spice have a bag of houses and residents all over the place and all over the world. So them say a 4th time them try to serve Spice. But it was unsuccessful. Them say beginning on or about June 28th, including July 11th, multiple attempts were made and they were unsuccessful. But them said on this after June 27th, defending Hamilton was notoriously served at the mansion, and them say on January 26th, Spice, basically acknowledged the lawsuit, so them don't know why she's coming out here saying she don't know nothing about nothing, you see me?
This person that I'm about to go live with, I've never met them before. I don't know him, and I find myself in a situation where I came out and I openly spoke about what happened to him. When we come out and we talk about what happened to this person, the accuser came out with a fake document. Talk about, oh, me gonna sue you. But that's why I want you guys to take away the power of.
So you see the digital footprints thing, my people, and this is where Spice's son comes into this $10 million default lawsuit that Spice failed to answer upon January 26, 2026. The officer said in the present action, one of the 2 private process servers hired for this matter went to the home of the defendant Hamilton and made contact with a male of suitable age. When asked for his name, he refused to provide such, but confirmed he was a resident of, the mansion where Spice lived and willing to accept service of process. You see what I said? The unnamed male resident was then formally served with a stamped file copy of, the summons of the complaint. The process servitor photographed the unnamed male resident as well as the location of service of verification process. And this part is where they confirmed it's Spice's son because the person said in an effort to positively identify the unidentified male residents who accepted the service on defendant Hamilton's behalf, the private process server positively identified defendant Hamilton's son as said male resident at the time of the service. Defendant Hamilton's son was 17 years old of age. And Spice did mention in her affidavit that she only lived with her 2 kids and she don't know who was at her residence that day because she did overseas a tour with Vibes Cartel and all of this stuff. You see what I say? So you see where the lying thing they come in play now because your son accepted the mail. He's of age to know, so it's a serious thing. You see what I say, my people? Problem in the comment section now because remember when we first broke the story that Spice lawyer responded to RT Boss case, they was trying to throw Momo under the bus saying 2 years, 3 years Momo said this thing and Spice only said it in 2024 and she said it in 2023 and he had 12 months to file from when Momo did it. But RT Boss is like no. The lawyer said 2 different people at 2 different times and Spice go on numerous platforms saying these allegations and RT Boss filed within the stipulated time the law gives. Now you can read his conclusion. It's basically everything that I said but a little bit more. You see what I said? I can press pause and read that himself, is him. Because me don't know what kind of lawyer Spice are using. Honestly, my people, I don't know what kind of lawyer she's using unless they're trying to buy some time, to switch the assets and the money in this account and that account, because it just doesn't make no sense. You see what I say? And this is why RT Boss lawyer said, Judge, do not grant Spice wish to dismiss this case. Missy Mass, my people. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Spice really messed up big time, my people. She really messed up big time, and she's really going to have to pay 10 million US dollar to RT Boss.
You have too much. You have too much loving at the money and too much ties in at the money. That's why you're not getting. You have to conquer money where you need to live your life and it not tie into money, and money will come. The reason why you're broke, you sit down and depend on money, and you want money to do this, you want money to do that, you want money to do this, and you want money to do that. And so you program your mindset, and as long as you don't get the money, you're not going to go nowhere, you're not going to reach nowhere, because you are sit down to get the money to make the next move. Money don't have ambition. You have to conquer money to receive money. Notice my style. You notice how I dash money and throw money? Be honest. Me have to use the word dash. People they roll me, people say, so me leg of money freely. Me no no money malice. Me no got money go feel like saying who own me. If me send out the energy and money, I have to come back. And me control it. Money now no power over my mindset. And me have power over money. Just make it now. When you give your mindset the power for make money become your vibration. When you don't have the money, you don't achieve certain things. I'm sure no say who no come to understanding that is not only about money. But that's how you believe it. Honestly, it's not only about money. Because before the money come in, you have to structure your mind and structure your desire and create what you want, then the money come in. Someone who want the money, and let me say this too, someone who want money now, right? And when you get the money now, you want the money now, and when you get the money now, the money done. Because you sit down and think about the money and want money so bad. So you full up your brain and full up your mind till you want money. As the money come to blood clot, the first thing you do is confuse. Because you have too much things to do with the money, so the money done. Are you, Are you a fool? You imagine you sit down and stress and talk about want money for this, want money for this, want money for that, and pack up your blood clot, it'll be a fuckery. And soon as the money come, your money gone left you. Because you pure and check it will be a fuckery and this and that, and when the money come, you just get fucking confused. When you see yourself, you stress out on yourself. Just why as the money come, because by the time you did it, say me no money, we want to do this, we want to do that, the money coming down. Because you sit down and conclude to yourself so much things you want done, and when the money come, you are try to do everything and then the money done. Yes, literally done before it come, because you pencil it out in your mind. And that, yes, we want you also know that. Literally, that's the thing is, the people who have so much things in their mindset, the money done, That be like how she put it. We have so much thing in your mindset and you want to do and the money not come yet. Just know the money done. So if you want the money last long now, delete some of them things out of your mindset and make your space empty. So when the money come, you can't turn in and know where you go. Delete some of the things out of your mind so the money can live in and furnish out. Because all of the things they will run the money. As the money come, the money can live with them instead of you. Not the truth. I just wish if somebody can sweep me off of my feet. I need a gift. But I'm not seating in the rooms, But Mrs. Madia thinks they want to charge a credit card and I give them problem. So I say, lady, listen to me and I type problem, man. Look on the card good. The The digital and back a wrong part there. So continue. Me I see. Of course, me I look on the money. Then me no see if you say you want to send the lion give me, but I credit card you now put good shot, fix the digit. You take your time, mommy. Take your time, lady. Take your time. Make somebody assist you because I am waiting. Because me there chat and you just take time and me I say oh yeah take so long because me I glimpse look at you want to send the lion. But all me I chat lady I take long. So me have to come out of the rooms and say lady anyway they come here pushing out. Come out mama come miss you. Nobody laugh. Just send it and we laugh after. Guys, texting vagina. Boy I feel chattish. Vagina. You know what is vagina? You know what is vagina? Watch me. Organic honey. Organic honey. And warm water can wash the vagina. Queen of Sheba get King Solomon fi come near the pussy. The energy of the honey, organic honey. Notice when the bees make honey, then stick together and then latch to blood clot till you see honey. And them also protect the honeycomb. And the honey is sweeter than you can sweet, you see. So honey is a vibration and a frequency, but you know it as honey. Honey is bigger than honey. Honey have frequency and vibration that's good for frequency and for women.
Yes, people, money vibration. Who is going to win this court case? RT Boss or Spice? Problem in the comment section. Anyway, people, do not forget to check out these next suggested videos you see on the screen. Now I mean, because we're not going to long on this review any longer. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I suggest you do that and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.